Ladies and gents, my name is Michael, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the most pressing issues in the crypto market, to lies coming out of Cardano's co-founder, Charles Hoskinson. Now, he may be lying about more than just his academic degree, to new CPI data and record-breaking numbers there, and huge drops in monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges. We're going to go over all of that and more, and if you enjoy this sort of content, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I post a lot of content on there every single day. Anyways, let's start off with CPI data. Inflation set 40-year highs earlier in the day as the Bureau of Labor Statistics came out with record-breaking numbers for CPI. And we saw that consumer price index rose 7.9% in February of 2022, and this is the fastest annual jump since 1982. And this is not a great sign because really it's showing that we have not yet peaked out, that things are only going to get worse, especially between rising tensions between Russia and Ukraine and recent bans we've put in place on imports coming from Russia. Recently, we've seen that there have been surges in energy prices, with oil reaching record highs, $130 per barrel. Many people thought that oil was never going to cross $100 per barrel again, and we're seeing that this is only going to get worse as now we're not importing any more oil from Russia, one of the biggest countries in the world for exporting oil. So this is not a great sign, and this is a sure sign that we're going to see the Federal Reserve come out on March 16th and increase interest rates at a faster rate than we initially expected. So March 16th, keep an eye out on that date as the Federal Reserve is going to officially confirm how fast interest rates are going to rise. Is it going to be half a basis point? What exactly the numbers are going to be. So keep an eye out on that, but I would not be surprised to see even higher than we were originally expecting, especially with what's coming out of Russia and Ukraine. Next thing is going to be with what happened in the last 30 days for monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges. What we have seen is that monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges fell by 20% in February of 2022, and that we've seen a consistent decline in monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges since November of 2021. And this shows us that really retail investor interest in the market has continued to fall. And historically, you could see at these charts right here that whenever we see monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges at highs, well, prices are normally at highs. When we see it at lows, well, prices are normally at lows. And really, we see that the price almost mimics exactly how many people are visiting crypto exchanges. So right now, we are definitely seeing that not as many retail investors are interested, even though we're seeing a lot of positive news come out from institutions, big tech companies, which we got a couple of big announcements to go over later in the video. Moving on, let's talk a little bit about what has been going on with Cardano as of recently, because Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson has been accused of lying and faking his academic record. And now many Cardano holders are worried that he may be lying about more than just his academic records, because he had always said that he had his undergraduate degree in math. But according to a crypto journalist, Laura Shin, she called him out on Twitter, and she said that there are discrepancies between his claims of dropping out of the PhD program at his school versus what he actually was saying. And what she said in this little report was that he had claimed that he dropped out of the PhD program, and if you look at the school, you can see that he was never even enrolled in the PhD program. So let me know what you guys think of this. He has always claimed that he dropped out, he never got his PhD, but the specific thing that she is saying is that he never even started a PhD program. So he never dropped out, he never started, yet he had claimed that he at least did start a program, but he dropped out. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think this is a bigger issue? Should we be more concerned? Or do you think it's just a one-off thing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Speaking of tech, though, I want to talk a little bit about what's going on with eBay, because eBay came out recently, and during one of their Investor Day events, they came out and showed investors their digital wallet as they're continuing to explore crypto and NFT options into 2022. And according to this Investor Day in 2022. They came out and presented a slide of their digital wallet, which they said is due in Q2 of 2022. They said that they're continuing to explore new forms of payments to add to their website, and we can expect a digital wallet in Q2 of 2022. So right now, nothing yet, but we're continuing to see more development coming out of eBay in terms of crypto and digital assets. Last story of the day is going to be with Stripe, one of the largest payment processing companies in the world. Stripe has launched support for crypto and NFTs yet again. The interesting thing here is that they had shut down services and crypto-related services back in 2018. They'd ended all Bitcoin services, all crypto services in 2018, but now they have returned back into the space, and they said that a lot of this is because of the number of deals they've signed with FTX, Gateway, blockchain.com, Just Mining, and a number of other companies. Right now, their crypto services are only available in the US, UK, and European Union. They said NFT services are available those places as well as Japan, but it's exciting to see that tech companies are continuing to embrace crypto and continuing to embrace NFTs despite volatility in the market, despite retail investors maybe not as bullish on crypto at the very moment as they were just about 6 to 12 months ago. So anyways, that's what's going on with crypto. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.